Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's perfect for both aspiring astronomers and seasoned stargazers alike. We found the Celestron NexStar 8SA Schmidt-Cassegrain computerized telescope, and we've added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the NexStar 8SA? This telescope is a powerful, 8-inch Schmidt-Cassegrain model that combines cutting-edge technology with portability, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to explore the night sky. With its included 25mm eyepiece, star diagonal, and accessory tray, it comes ready to use right out of the box. One of the standout features of the NexStar 8SE is its superior optics. The telescope boasts StarBright XLT coatings, which enhance light transmission, ensuring that you get bright and clear images of celestial objects. Whether you're gazing at the craters of the Moon, the rings of Saturn, or distant galaxies, this telescope delivers exceptional views that are sure to impress. Another significant highlight is the computerized mount. The NexStar 8SA features a fully automated GoTo mount with an extensive database of over 40,000 celestial objects. This means you can easily locate and track stars, planets, and other wonders of the night sky with just a few button presses, thanks to the advanced NexStar Plus technology. This feature is particularly useful for beginners who may not yet be familiar with navigating the night sky. Portability is another key advantage of this telescope. Its compact and lightweight design, along with a quick-release fork-arm mount and tripod, makes setup and transportation a breeze. Whether you're heading to a local park or your backyard, you can quickly assemble the telescope and start your observation session without hassle. For those who appreciate enhanced control, the NexStar 8SE offers multiple options. You can use the included hand control for traditional operation, or connect the telescope to your PC using the CPWI control software.